Hello. Hello. Hi. Okay. Minimize. Okay, yay. I am. Yay. I'm gonna actually put this on that. Okay, so anyway, so what I'm going to do is just show you a bunch of stuff. I have Google Earth. I'm gonna bring up Google Earth. So this is for tomorrow's severe weather threat. And as you can see, so oh yeah, just stop. So anyway, I am here on. This is weird. So this is the tomorrow's. The yellow is um the slight risk, which is always yellow, and it's over Oklahoma. Um, there's actually a way that you can get the Storm Protection Center onto Google Earth Pro. It's actually epic, and the general thunderstorm risk actually goes all the way up into extreme. So extreme. Just look how far it's extreme South Dakota. That is the general thunderstorm risk. So Oklahoma and Texas, you should watch out tomorrow. Anyway, how do you guys like my background? Does it look nice? Look at my. Do you guys like my background? I hope you do. Okay. Anyway. So what am I gonna bring up next? What am I going to bring up next? My Chrome will open. For whatever reason, I renamed Google Chrome as weather tracking for absolutely no reason except the fact that I am very weird. Okay. Now, what I do want to talk about is get anyway. So, as I was saying, I want to go to the forecast models for this. And I'm going to go to the Gulf for this. Western Atlantic has the best example for that. Now, will this quote-unquote tropical system form? It's pretty large. I think that's the whole thing. It's going to be dumping rain and thunderstorms on Florida. In fact, I just want my future radar. I just want the future radar. Dang it. I think I have to go to the CONUS for that. I can still kind of see it. Radar, yay. Yes, I can still see it. In fact, I want to see if... This is my question. Why is a high pressure system driving rain? That's weird. That a high pressure has rain literally over it. That is weird. My voice sounds like 20 times better. So I'm going to see if I can... In fact, I want to see if it's in the hurricane. Yeah, no storms to track. Just... Yeah, this is not even an invest yet. In fact, if I go to the National Hurricane Center thing, and none of this is mine, I think I might have to specify that so the copyright people don't copyright me. Please talk about hurricane season after this. Yes, I will get in right into that. I have not made a special map because I didn't think I was gonna do that. I literally thought of this stream today, but watch your. Anyway, so let's go to the. So this is the wind. What I'm gonna have. And the one thing that I do want to, this is the future wind from the National Hurricane Center. Now you can see this go back 12 hours. You can see that sort of a low pressure that is going to be driven by wind. You can kind of see it right here, but I'm gonna actually oh yeah, fronts. Yeah, so this is the Arctic front. So almost everyone will be seeing sub-freezing temperatures. In fact, a lot of people will be seeing below average temperatures and a lot of record lows here. This is the cold front that sweeps up good amount of wind, to be honest, especially on the Gulf. Just want to see what it does on land, and it kind of triggers this kind of like this spiral right here. And now this is now wrong. Now this is going true today. Invest unlikely actually. Tropical storm. Wait, so the Weather Channel actually put out this map. I honestly have no idea if it was tropical storm or invest or depression. Yeah, I think it. Yeah, it'll probably be subtropical because it's being driven by this. And we don't usually see things being caused because of some like cold front. Oh, that's what they were saying on the Weather Channel. That's where I get my weather news, or just the local weather, to be honest. In fact, the North American model is one of my favorites because it's so like detailed. In fact, I want to actually talk about So I actually want to talk about the Northeast snow in May. It's not February, it's May, but I'm going to talk about it. Snow anyway. So I'm actually going to go into the Northeast right here. So this is actually. So this is for today's system. If you live in the Northeast, this might be your thing. So this is the first system. It'll be dissipating. It'll be out of here by about 2 a.m. 3 a.m. Maybe some lingering showers there, but other than that, 4, 5, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. When you're probably waking up, maybe a small lingering sprinkle. And for for Thursday, it should be fairly nice, except for the showers over here. Other than that, it should be pretty nice for most of the Northeast, except for this, obviously. That looks like heavy rain right there. That's weird. Maybe it's a lingering. If the warm front, I think it's a cold front that I talked about. Anyway, so this is for Friday. Let's go into Saturday's system, which will most likely bring snow into the Northeast. And in fact, Philadelphia might even, yes, Philadelphia, the least city with snow that usually gets snow. Anyway, so after the sort of nice day on Thursday, it'll be, so this is the snow. So this is not likely to, in fact, this is not likely for May, but it is going to happen. A lot of models say it. I don't know what models don't say it. But Philadelphia might get some snow. Yes, the 3/10 will be added on to in May. I just don't like the jet stream at times. It just doesn't like the world. I don't know. I just don't like it ever. That's a sad puppy. Looks too sad. Okay. So this is a pretty nice day if it'll go forward time. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. But look at this. Ohio Valley, Pittsburgh getting some snow. That's the sharp line. I don't think there's no mixed line. Anyway, so look at this. Some heavy showers looks like. I remember February the 7th, I believe. It was a pretty weird day. We had this like thunderstorm thingy. It was pretty severe. And then literally not, I don't know. I was in school. This was before the current event. So I was in school. There was this like super strong storm. And then literally not like 5 hours later, there was a huge like snow. The radar loop for that actually looked sort of suspicious around that. So I ignored it because it said it was just going to go to the north, but nope, that line pretty much stalled. That looks like a line, a small line, just like it was. I'm not saying it's going to be that all over again. So yeah. So this sort of looks like what happened. Not saying the exact same place, just saying what it looks like. And yeah, see that just, look at that. The northern suburbs of Philadelphia could get some snow. New York snow. That is Washington D.C. You'll be done. Will you guys get snow? Maybe, just maybe. In fact, even Tennessee, some of the mountains of Tennessee, North Carolina and a bunch of over there. February 6th, 6, 6. It was 7th for me. I don't live in Florida. Fun fact, I've never experienced a hurricane. That's not that fun. Anyway, so I'm going to see. So we're going to go to the total accumulation. What did I say? What's this? I have no idea. Total snowfall inches. I have no idea what that is. I'm just going to go to the one that I'm used to. Anyway. So, yeah, accumulating snowfall. I don't think it's going to accumulate for that northern side of Philadelphia. But, you know, the north suburbs, you know, they could get some snow out of this. And so, yeah. I don't want to see these sad ads. Anyway. Dog is still staring at my soul. Anyway. Okay, what do you guys want next? 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 Yeah. It's delayed, so I might be sitting here just awkwardly when you guys are just spamming in the chat. But, you know, that's fine. I want to see the next severe weather pattern. This is a hard one. Yeah, I think we have to go to the climate one. Weekly. Let's go to the weekly. Go to the nation. This is going to be for the temperatures. Now, a good thing to look at. Now, just look at that cold surge. I think that it's the cold. So I think if they could add more like steps, I think there would be like a lot more in there. Just. Hurricane Katrina was so strong it pulled the cold water onto the seas to the surf. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, because usually they just... I can't have these ads. This is going to get, like... Anyway, so, yeah, I don't think it did that. I don't know it did that. Well, if it did do that, then that means Hurricane Patricia probably did something a lot better or more impressive. So, this is the current Arctic blast that we have. So the next severe weather pattern. That's interesting. So now everything goes to near average, maybe some warmer. In fact, this is. So yeah, this is for. So this is from May 13th to May 20th. 12Z, so that's 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Or 7 a.m. Central Time, or 6 a.m. Mountain Time. Perfect. So this is sort of just the little bit of warmth still hanging from that heat wave, little bit of cold, but it's going to be mainly just near average, and it's going to be a nice middle or to mid May. Typhoon Tip was the biggest cyclone on hurricane in the planet. I did not know that. Anyway, like wow, I'm watching this from my phone so I can be in the chat, and wow, those colors look so much better than what I'm actually seeing. I guess I'm just at a weird angle from the computer, and so I don't really see anything in the next severe weather pattern. It'll probably be a tiny bit above average in this zone because of the colder to the north and the warmer to the south, it's usually cold to the north, but more extreme. So it's just more likely. If they were the opposite, they would probably be the exact same temperatures, if not opposite, which that would be terrible for severe weather. In fact, no severe weather. So that's a good thing, probably. So yeah. Anyway, next severe weather. So the severe weather pattern. You guys have been asking for the hurricane. My thoughts on the hurricane season. Okay. I'm now going to get to that. So, this is the ocean analysis that we have to look at first. So yeah, but I just want to look. I just want to look and see where it happens. I just want to see. I'm just looking at El Nino because that's just one of the. Generally towards there. How about? Yeah, so we could actually see some hurricane. Yeah, we are lack of El Nino. So that means we could. I lost really that, so I don't have to see. Oh wow! Rip. Wow. Anyway, so this is just the current ocean. So it's a pretty decent La Nina. I mean, there is a small spot of warmth, but that's not gonna ruin the entire La Nina. I mean, I actually don't know what we would have if we had a. I mean, this. I don't know what hurricane season we would have. If we had a La Nina, probably just an average. But if that wasn't there, if that was also below average, maybe we could see a little bit even more stronger. So, I don't know. La Nina. Actually, that's La Nina. So, yeah, lack of El Nino. I always get El Nino and La Nina always mixed up for no reason. No reason whatsoever. Anyway. So, what is gone? Thank goodness. Anyway. So, yeah. This is the. So, yeah. La Nina fuels a hurricane season. It fuels a hurricane season for the Atlantic. The Pacific means that you are going to lower the hurricanes. Now, I'm sort of surprised about this after the fact that we saw that one invest and actually depression. But I mean, I don't know. So yeah. Forecast models, yay. In fact, I'm just going to go to satellite imagery. Oh yeah, here's something else. We're also going to talk about a heat wave in Alaska. Alaska, yes. I don't usually talk about Alaska. But if anybody here lives in Alaska or knows someone that lives in Alaska, I'm saying Alaska. Weird. It's called Alaska. It's called Alaska, not Alaska. Alaska. If you know anybody that lives in that state, just tell them and we will. Just tell them and everything will be all right. So yeah, just tell them I'm talking about their place. Anyway, let's go to the 2 meter temperature shade. Now this will be important. So even today, you saw some of it. Look at this number, 62. That is a good number for Alaska. Alaska. That's a good number for Alaska. So yeah, that's Canada, 64, 61, 63, 63. And you still got that coldness. I think this coldness will stick around up here. Anyway, so yeah, this is overnight. No one wants to see that. Look at this, 63, 52, 58, 63. So low 60s for maybe... Yeah, Alaska is the only state that doesn't seem to get it. I mean, I wonder if they'll get any thunderstorms out of this, because you see it's cold up there, warm down there. Maybe. I honestly don't know. I'll keep watching it, though. Anyway, I'm going to go to the next warmest. Look at this, 63, 65, 60s, the upper 50s. Wonder if we can get a 70 out of this. We'll see. Now, we could get a 70 right here. 70s. 70 right there. There's a 70s in Alaska. Northern Alaska. In fact, I almost want to see the anomalies. Wow. I don't know Alaska, but jeez. I don't really know the weather in Alaska, but geez, that is warm. In fact, whoa, that looks like a lot of warm. I'm gonna go check that one out. Man, 70s, 60s. Talking reds now. I've never seen. And then look at that. 70s, that is so warm. It's so warm. 80s. Okay, I'm overreacting. But 80s, I want to see the anomalies now. I just want to see the anomalies. Jeez. Oh, and there's one more thing. In fact, there's warm up there. I guess. Wow, 80 degrees. That's Alaska. You don't see 80 degrees. They get it at 90 degrees, I'm going to be happy for Alaska, because they probably just want to be thawed out. 80s right there. That's impressive. And it finally tapers off, and you guys will be able to cool off. Finally. And there's one more thing I want to show you. It's in the Middle East, so you guys probably won't care. But this is a cool thing that I found. Yes, it is right here. These are the temperatures. This is actually in Celsius. In fact, I'm going to pull out a converter because we're Americans. Okay. So, yeah. So, I'm going to go to the anomalies for this one. Well, look at that. I've never seen that color on there. This is probably no normal. I don't know. Temperature anomalies? Looks about average. Apparently that's average. So apparently that's about average. In fact, colder. What? Makes no sense. Gets so hot there. Oops. Guess it's really hot there all the time. Yeah, there's no way that's below average. In fact, I'm going to put the highest number. I see 45. Wow, 113. That's normal? I don't want to go there ever. Because of the heat. In fact, there's this cool tool that I saw. Surface skin temperature. Now, I don't know what this is, but it's pretty cool. I believe it's just like the ground, like what happens like on the ground. In fact, do you guys know what this is? Yeah, I want to see if you guys know, like, about the surface and, like, the surface skin temperature. I just want to know if you guys know what that is. Oh, I just remembered I can't watch Force 13's premiere. Oh, well. guys know what that is? By any chance? Anyway, but wow, that's hot. So I just want to know what this is. No. You guys know. Just say in the chat if you know what it is. But anyway, if this is like the concrete, like the really hot, like pan stuff, if that's what it is, which I'm assuming, I'm like 70. That's 70s. I mean, that's warm on the ground for Fahrenheit. Let's just, oh jeez, I don't want to look at that. Jeez, I'm gonna lose my mind. I want to see if that's like a thing around the world. See if I can find it anywhere else. Can't find it in the U.S. See if I can find it in South America. Because why not? Nope. No surface. Probably the Ring of Fire. Okay, surface skin. I honestly don't know what that is. In fact, I'm gonna go to the whole world. I'm just gonna look at this. I don't know why the prime meridian is on the western side. Like, it should be reversed, to be honest. Anyway, simulated infrared satellite. See if you can get any tropical systems out. See if you can find any tropical systems. This is what I do to find like those constant ridges of the Earth satellite picking up warmth. Okay. Oh, this is GFS, so I don't think my European thing. Let's see. I can't get the simulated infrared red satellite. Oh well. Let's see. Whoops. Well, I guess we could see the heat waves and cold waves. That's very hot for normal. That is normal? That is false normal weather. I just want to know if there's any other heat waves. Anyway. Simulated infrared satellite. Let's see if we can get a tropical system to show up anytime soon. And maybe I can... Oh, yes. This is something that I've been watching for a while. It was in the near future. I had to bring this up. I totally forgot. It was one Friday. I don't have schoolwork on Friday, which is why I generally uploaded then. That's when my first crazy live stream day was on that day. Was on a Friday. Anyway, I was looking at my future satellite. I saw this. Where is it? And it was in the near future. I saw... Look at that! That's an eye! That's a little eyeball. It's an eyeball. And rest in peace. Mexico 2020. I don't think this year's going. Sad puppy. Don't make me sad. Yay. I see those commercials enough as it is. In fact, now that in fact, I want to see. So yeah, and then it'll just immediately die. But this could do something. I honestly don't know. Let's see if we can get up the winds. That would be in low dynamics. In fact, that's going to show up one day, and I'm not going to like it. That's going to show up on the hurricane. I will probably have to go live, and I don't know how to speak Spanish. That sucks. Oh well. That's bad. Mexico can eat me. Okay. Just let Mexico eat you. Okay. Let Mexico eat you. So let's see if I can catch this thing. Yeah, it's a pretty strong thing, and it looks like it'll probably make landfall in Mexico. And that's another system. El Nino. I mean, whatever. La Nina, what are you doing? Are we having like a Lanada situation? Or is that tiny area of warmth helping just look at that thing. It's already, I can tell that's a system right there starting to trying to form. In fact, it's probably already formed right there. But wow, what is happening? I want you just to remove the MSLP, like, please. No MSLP. What is Vort and Wind? I have honestly no idea what that is. Wow. I probably might have to make a video about this. Like, the time it's still very far away, but this thing has been there for, like, ever. And it's still pretty late. Yeah, I saw this one day. I was looking at the worldwide thing, and I saw that. I'm like, oh, that looks weird. It's probably just one of those eye things. Oh, wait, no. Yeah. What? Anyway, so yeah, I guess just one of those eye things that sometimes it just looks like an eye, but no, it's a legit system. Russia. Okay, let's go to Russia. You wanted it. So let's go to Russia. I don't think there's not even any specific region for Russia. I'm just going to go to the Asia section. In fact, maybe I can get the, that one. Meter temperature shaded. I wonder if there's any really scolding. Oh, India gets really hot, I guess. Like, I wonder if they get more hot than the Middle East. Yo, the 50s? I remember people in the UK or Europe complaining about 30s. Yo, I'm going to see 50. That's 122. I'm going over to India. I want to see what's happening there. This is like the warmth. Like, I wonder if they even know what blankets are. Like, if they, like, use them ever. Ah! Marine instability. Dang it. I just have to go to the regular India then. Ah. Yay. Oh, I only got the anomalies. Dang it. Oh well. Almost 50. So yeah. Wait. Hold on. That looks like a tropical system. Whoa. That is a weird shaped thing. Why is Dvorak colors. That looks like I think that's a tropical system. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, you remember when we we're talking about that one system? Remember way far back out, I was telling you about the system that could make landfall there. That went away. Came back, wanted to hit India. Well, went away. Came back and now wants to hit there. I think that's it right there. It's a little far. And imagine what the humidity is. Oh, God. I'm looking at the dew point. I mean, if it's very low dew point and humidity, then I might accept it. Dry heat, I mean, they could be. I mean, that's literally what an oven is. But, I mean, okay. Yes, that is very hot. I don't want to be there. Well, I mean, at least it's not humid. In fact, I'm going to find Indian Ocean. Wow, those look like some visible cirrus clouds. No reason. I can't get it up. Where was I? I have to go back to the Asian regions. Dang it. Asia. right here. India's pretty much the center of attention. Wow, that's hot. 30s, I mean, yeah. Okay, let's go here. Let's go. Checked. Wow. Look at that. 45. That's near 45. That is crazy. Do you guys like... Wait, in fact, I'm actually just going to type this up on my phone and show it in the chat. Oh, yeah, one more thing that I have to point out, and then I will just think of things on the top of my head. Satellite imagery. I want to go over to the satellite imagery. I have to go to Windy for this because they are the only ones with the interactive visible satellites. Let's go. Now this is what I want to... Oops. Anyway, whoops. Yeah, do you guys let me stream on my computer? Anyway, I want to go over to the visible satellites. Let's see if we can get that up. Oh, whoa, that sounded weird. But I think in fact, the Weather Channel actually showed this. I just want to show it again. I just want to show it to you guys because you guys probably don't watch the Weather Channel. Please talk about hurricane season. Oh, shoot, I keep forgetting. This includes Florida. Justin, you should be watching this. In fact, why is my mic so close to my face? Yeah, good thing you talk about the wildfires. I do want to talk about that. You can... Let me go on this 2-hour radar satellite loop. In fact, yeah. You guys see that, like all these streams and that new one apparently. See all these coming out. These are the clouds. These are the high cirrus clouds. Or maybe there could be thunderstorms. I don't know. But you see these. The ones that are kind of doing there. That's fire. Yes. Thank you for bringing that up. Sorry, I was doing my homework. Sebastian. Yeah, if you live in the Panhandle of Florida towards the Alabama, you should be checking this out. In fact, I'm actually going to pull out the Real Storm Prediction Center fire outlook. Fire. I'll just go to all SPC forecasts. In fact, I do want to point something else out. We finally got notice of here after like forever. Why is everyone ignoring me? I'm not ignoring you. Anyway, so back to the fire outlook, fire weather outlook. So I think there's some, fire outlooks today. In fact, yes. Elevated risk right here. So look at this. So part of Florida and the Florida Panhandle. That's an elevated risk. This is for the rest of today until 12 Z tomorrow. So that includes 8 a.m. So I think they also include, we'll also talk about the red flag warning area. So this is the day 2. Florida Panhandle, you should be clear. But look at this. Got the isolated dry over here. Look at this. Got a critical risk. That includes El Paso, Albuquerque, Las Cruces, Santa Fe, New Mexico, and Rio Rancho, New Mexico. Oh, Electric Jam. I haven't seen like 9,000 billion years. Well, I don't live in the USA, so I don't really care. I'm gonna drop a like though. Oh, thank you. I can talk about your country. I can talk about Yeah, so anyway, so yeah, I can talk about anyone's country. You don't have to live in the U.S. I'm just talking about something that someone else brought me to. Costa Rica. Okay, I have to bring out. I can't use NOAA because they are American regions. Let's go here, North Atlantic. Oops, that's a little bit too far. Costa Rica. I want to go to Costa Rica for a vacation, like so badly. But you got to go there for free. Huh. All of New Mexico. Whoa, okay. I believe Costa Rica's in... Wait, where's Costa Rica? I'm sorry if I... Wait. Just double checking. Just trying to find it. Okay, that's where I thought it was. Just didn't want to get anything wrong. So it's in this area, right in there. So, in fact, that actually brings me to a good point. There's Panama right here. So I guess Costa Rica looks like it is right next to that. Costa Rica, Bahamas, Jamaica, Guam, Paraguay. So that's Costa Rica right there. Sweet. Has really nice beaches. Lol. You're making me more jealous. So yeah. In fact, I don't know which. I'm just trying to double check and make sure what we saw earlier is not really like, that tropical system. Let's see if I can get that through. Let's see. Oh. That's interesting. Congrats for hitting some. Yay! They might add an extreme fire risk. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. I think more about hurricanes. I will. I will. That's probably going to be the last thing I'll talk about. Maybe not. No, it's probably not. Look at this hurricane-looking thingy. It's on clouds. Just clouds. I want to see if we can get MSLP and radar. Perfect. Doesn't look like any rain out of this, but it will be raining when that goes through. Yeah. Oh well. So at least it doesn't look as bad as it sounds. I mean, at least, if you were all, but it will make landfall. Just not in your country. I hope none of my subscribers. Yeah, look at the system below in Mexico. Oh yeah, Sebastian, you missed it. There's an eye wall. Yeah. You missed it. In fact, there's this system. I don't think it's heading for anywhere. Yeah, Costa Rica looks pretty good. Costa Rica's gotten hurricane like only once or twice. Okay. Yeah, you guys don't usually get hurricanes. And if anything, they're probably just like... Wait, do you guys... yeah, but hopefully this doesn't come just a tiny bit closer and maybe you should be worried. I don't know. But nothing right now. I will keep everyone updated on probably the storm if I have to. For my one Costa Rica viewer. So yeah. So yeah, it looks like some pretty. Yeah, does Costa Rica get any thunderstorms every day like Florida? Sort of. Like Florida does. I was in Florida and there was like do you guys like thunderstorms? You have no idea, but you live there. You don't know though. That's weird. You live there, but you don't know. Anyway, I looks like a pretty test system. If I mean, I literally, it looks like it weakens as it gets closer to land, which that seems like a good thing, and it quickly dies off. But often, but not like every day. Pretty often, yeah. There might be a couple days where like you don't get. I mean, they could just be scattered. Depends on the season. Yes. Hurricane Arthur. Yes, bring me a good point. In fact, I believe the Weather Channel I don't want to go to their thing because I can't copyright them. Actually, I am. I don't think YouTube cares. In fact, YouTube. This is not mine. I'm not trying to copyright. This is not mine. I'm not marking this as my own. I am not saying this is mine. Yeah, low chance of hurricane. I think. Oh yeah, top stories. Yeah, Florida evacuation. And forces evacuation. Please read my last comments. Here's what I think. 75% chance of becoming invest. That's way too high. Become a tropical depression. Way too high. And that's also way too high. Yeah, both of them are way too high. Okay, I want to see if it says yeah. Wonderground, I have that. I have that on my phone, and I also use it sometimes to go to Wonderground right there. I use it sometimes, but I mean it does have velocity on. Oh, whoa. Okay, hold on. 110 Fahrenheit in China already? Okay, back to there. Back to the tropical tip. Let's kind of have to go through every single international headline. Wow. I think this is just going to be a low key stream. I thought this was just going to be like a low key kind of easy stream. I'm on this hunched over position. It's just so uncomfortable because I can't find a comfortable chair. In fact, it's raccoon dinner party. Raccoon dinner party. What? In India. Oh, okay. I don't know why I did that. That was a weird cough. 60% of invest. That's also pretty high. 20% chance of tropical depression. That's normal. That's probably okay. 2% chance of tropical storm. It's a little low. Don't just make up your own forecast. Don't do that. Don't just put random numbers. That is not ever a good idea, especially when it comes to hurricanes. Anyway, I'm probably just going to end this stream soon. So this was actually a fun stream, to be honest. In fact, never mind. We're not ending this. I want to show you one last thing. And then we're going to go to our hurricanes, and then I'm going to end. Whoa, my mouse is acting up. Category 6. I'm just going to go to Category 6 for no reason. Maps and radar. So yeah, radar. Oh, is my mic loud? It's probably is loud. Oh yeah. So this is what I don't like about Weather Underground. They quote unquote have a good. I like the dark mode that they have. I don't like this light mode. It's disgusting. In fact, I don't know if you guys noticed. I have a dark mode Chrome. I have dark mode Chrome. Anywho. So yeah, the thing that I don't like about this. So I just go. Let's just go there. I don't know. Right there. I don't know. Brownsville. I don't know. Some place in this world. So you see, this is just normal reflectivity, but there's velocity. What I don't like about this velocity, look at that color scheme. I hate it. You got white instead of gray, and they reversed the yellows and reds, and range folded is pink. No, you don't do that. And besides, when I try to zoom in with the zoom box, that time it worked. To be fair, that time it worked, but every other time now it'll just not work. See, that is really... For what? Okay, I guess you guys hate this. Oof, rip. This is probably one of my more cringy videos. Yay, you're the best. Rail fan? I don't like railroads, but I like your channel name. I mean, they're cool, but I don't like dislike them, but I'm not like a fan. But the thing is, with this, when I zoom in, it just doesn't zoom in. That's the worst part. What will happen? Who disliked? I mean, who is disliked? What happens if two hurricanes head into Florida, east and west, both are major? I don't like that. I don't like the sound of that. I just don't. I just don't at all. That sounds so... This is probably it's... Anyway. This is a Nexard station. I'm live. Yay. Whoops. Who's disliking? Don't dislike. You're meanies. Don't dislike! Like supercells. Yeah, supercells are weather. Alright. Last thing. I am now going to go on to the final hurricane outlook. What I think about hurricane season. I'm going to end the stream. To be honest, I'm just going to end the stream. I just don't feel like going on again. I'll stream again on Friday for good luck. Okay. I'm very uncomfortable right now. Take a stretching break. I want to... Anyway. See, the earth is flooding, burning at the sea. Do you dislike my channel? No, everybody... No, I like it. Oh, I'm missing Force 13's thing. Aw, that stinks. Oh, well, I guess I can't be in that super fun, cool chat. Because I can't be in the fun chat. Oh, well. Anyway, let's go to hurricane outlooks. In fact, do you guys mind if I just do this in another video, to be honest? I'll probably just make it tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Bye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.